Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Did you clean the kitchen after that? Did you say that you are in trouble with me? Armor. That was such a danger. Oh my goodness.
Hana is cooking something. What kind of dish is that, darling?
It's gonna be courgette.
Courgette?
Yeah.
With pork beans.
Filled with this and baked in the oven.
So nagluto ako nito. Pork shoulder with veg and string beans and bell pepper. Yan. Nakita nyo, talaga natuyo na kasi kaya lumalabas yung mantika. Pero huwag kayo matakot sa mantika ng baboy. Dalawang araw na ako hindi talaga nakalabas ito kahit day off ako. Kasi tingnan nyo yung panahon, talagang umuulan buong araw. Umaambon mula kahapon. Kaya talagang kahit na day off ako, hindi ako lumabas. Talagang saan naman ako pupunta? Hindi ako makapunta sa park. At saka yung mall dito sa England, boring. Maliliit yung mall dito. Hindi gaya sa atin, mall sa atin na talagang malalakihan at yung gusto mong makita ando doon sa loob ng mall. Ito na yung niluto ni Darling Hana. Good, Pinkay?
When I eat healthy, this is what I mean.
Really?
No, I don't eat healthy at all. I eat crisp, I eat ice cream, I eat lots of chocolate, and I do not care. Yeah, just joking, I do. I balance it out.
Yeah. That is Sophia's dessert. Was that Pinkay chocolate cake and ice cream? Unbelievable.
And you're dieting.
It's like a melting cake with ice cream in.
Melting cake
Yeah, this is
and ice cream?
Yeah.
Ah, so that is
The
so,
ice cream is already melted from the cake.
that is so good.
I'm sorry to die.
I know. That is so good, cake and chocolate, cake and ice cream together. Oh, wow. But don't worry, Sophia is full of
Exercise.
exercises. 2 times a day exercises. Abs exercises, what else?
No, I just do like one or two exercises a day every single day. And also on Mondays and Wednesdays I have swimming, so I'm okay. I'm in shape, guys.
She has a swimming competition again this Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah? Good job. Oh my goodness. nagda-diet ka, nagkikrave ka ng medyo sweet. Pero hindi ko nilagyan yan ng asukal. Yung dark chocolate ang magpapatamis niyan at saka yung ripe banana pala. Wow. 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 Iwan muna natin ng mga 20 to 30 minutes para pag hindi na siya mainit, saka natin na slice. Sarap. Kape tayo with my own version of brownies. Yung mga nagtanong sa mga sangkap, ingredients ng brownies ni Hana, ito na lang ang kopyahin nyo, yung sa akin. Sabayan ng mainit na kape. Yung pasarap nito yung dark chocolate, cocoa powder, tsaka yung mixed nuts.
Ja.
Jo.
Oh, dívej, co přinesl. Dívej.
Jo. Jo, Bilky chleba.
To jsou takové ty...
Stejný kulač.
Jo. To jsou ty no, z toho listového těsta a taky ty.
So, pinabili ko yan sa kasama ko sa trabaho.
It's for my breakfast?
Yeah, you can have it, yes. Ang lalaki na pastry. Masarap yan. Mamaya, matutulog muna si Japit Boy. Tapos paggising mga alauna ng hapon, kain. Tapos yan, pang himagas. Karating ko lang. Kauwi ko lang yung bag ko. So yan. Silipin natin ang ating dalaginding.
Yeah.
Maminka, say hi to our viewers.
Počkej, musíš, zamávej mu, on tě natáčí.
Okay, so time to rest. And yun.
Today, what are you doing? I thought you were on a diet.
There's no more diet. No more diet. Forget about the diet.
But aren't you... I had one this morning for breakfast.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had the jam one.
I cannot have this for breakfast. I just woke up, had my lunch, and pastry.
But I can eat this because it's basically carbs. And
Yeah?
I have my competition today.
With coffee.
You guys, I have my my last gala today.
Last English gala.
Yeah, my last competition. Last time I won, but let's see again.
Yeah. Coffee. This one is really good though. It's like how you call that, darling? This one?
Caramel.
Caramel. And nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, darling.
Today, are you gonna diet again today?
What you want?
Half coffee. This. Okay.
I go diet again today.
After this,
Yeah.
Like this?
I'm gonna finish all.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Water?